Individuals from all over the world, including Canada, they can log online, they can find out within 5 minutes exactly what they're able to get qualified for. So they have some confidence that if they start looking for properties in the US, that they're going to be able to put in an offer with confidence and close that transaction.
So let's just start with the background about the company. When did you start Milo and why?
Yeah, so I started Milo back in 2019, and it was really around a very basic idea that individuals that were international consumers wanted to buy properties in the US. And we felt that we could do something about that to give them a better experience and really create something that was unique for them and do this all with technology so they could apply from anywhere in the world and close their mortgage from anywhere in the world.
So what does that look like in practice for your clients based outside of the United States?
So individuals from all over the world, including Canada, they can log online, they can find out within 5 minutes exactly what they're able to get qualified for. So they have some confidence that if they start looking for properties in the US, that they're going to be able to put in an offer with confidence and close that transaction. So that is one of the solutions that we offer. In addition to, once those individuals have found the home that they want, they're able to apply for a formal application that takes under 10 minutes. And through that process, they'll also know definitively exactly what their rate is and what they can count on, and then what are their closing costs and everything that's associated with that transaction. And once they have that and they decide to move forward, they'll be able to pay for their appraisal, sign their application, upload the necessary documents, some of it through tech integrations and others just uploading documents, but do that from the comfort of their home and then work through the process that usually takes under 30 days. The biggest part of the process today is appraisals tend to take a little bit longer. But once we get past that process, then we're moving on quickly to closing and hopefully finishing the transaction so that they can own a property in the US.
What was the process like before the technology was utilized here? What did it look like in the past, if it was even possible?
Yeah, great question. So it was possible. It just wasn't great. That was one of the other things that we found is that of the individuals that are international that are buying properties in the US, there's over 100 billion or so that's bought every single year. The majority of that is without a loan. So I think that that's for a number of reasons. But many individuals want to buy, but they may not know that they can actually qualify for a mortgage in the US. Or they'll reach out to their local lenders in their home countries and only find out that they don't actually offer a loan in the US. So that process usually, if they wanted to get a mortgage, they were working with a realtor. That realtor might work with someone locally that they knew, and they may or may not have had a relationship with a local bank that could lend to them. So most of the time they were doing it without a loan. And if they did get a loan, that process could take anywhere from 2 to 3 months to get this done. It would be sending things through fax, emailing documents, no digital process, no certainty, even 30 days into the process, whether this was actually going to happen. So really not a process that you felt good about, and really a lot of uncertainty through the whole cycle.
And you said you're based in the US. Where specifically?
Yeah, so we're based in Miami. So our team is roughly 50 people. We have an office in Miami where the majority of our team is located, but we do have individuals across the US. And then we also have an office in Colombia where we have engineering resources there.
What do you hope to accomplish in the Canadian market in the next little while?
And so for us, it's really important that Canadians understand that there is an opportunity for them to invest in the US. And there is a company that's building a platform and a solution that's unique for them, that we understand what are those nuances. We want to be able to say yes as much as possible. And we want to be able to guide them so that when they do find something that in a property that they want to purchase, they know exactly what it takes to do that. And they can actually feel confident about the transaction and really have a good experience. So we're going to continue to basically improve our product, improve our experience, but definitely looking to our neighbors in Canada to be able to help as many as possible.